Hey everyone, it's Jay here from Arcan. Today I'm going to be walking you through our 2025 Sprinter. It's a 3920 DSL. This is actually really great because it's got basically 2 full bedrooms in it and 2 cool entries on it as well. First thing I always like to point out on the front of this unit is going to be your automotive grade front cap. So this one's painted just like an automotive front cap. It's not going to have that fading over time. And one cool thing you'll notice on your pin box is this road armor pivot tool. So what's nice about this is there's a little bit of rubber in there. It's a tough rubber. So while you're traveling, you're not going to get that metal on metal chucking throughout. Big storage on the front. And this is actually going to have your charge controller for the solar on the roof. As we make our way down the side, you'll notice these 2 beautiful awnings, one on your main and then one coming out from your slide as well, just creating a beautiful ambiance when you are out camping. And this beautiful pass-through storage here is fully heated. And it does come with the slam latch baggage doors as well. So when you're closing this, it's just a slam in order to close it. As we make our way down the side, you will notice your cable slide system. This is a really great system on this unit here because you're going to have 4 points of contact going out and in at every moment. And all the motors and gears and stuff like that are inside the trailer, so they're not weathered while you're traveling. This guy actually has 16-inch Maximus tires on it. They've upgraded from the Goodyear tires just because these have a little bit more of a backing to them, and they're still covered by that Lion's Head warranty on them. The solar on this unit is 220 watts on the roof, and you have that charge controller in the pass-through. One thing that Sprinter does is they actually redesigned your steps. So these solid steps are a little bit newer. They're a little bit more width as you're going up, and they do have rivets inside too for stuff to fall through opposed to getting stuck on the unit itself. As we make our way inside, you'll see the 2 opposite slides that give you just tons and tons of living space inside the unit. All of your seamless countertops look super nice. They're kind of finished off with that marble look. As you come in, you do have this big pantry area here, storage above, and then storage to the side. One thing that they added on these ones too is going to be this little accent for your handles. It just makes it easier to grip. You have a little garbage chute right here, and then drawers as well. As we make our way down, you'll notice this big 12-volt refrigerator. This guy will open up with both doors. You have your 3 burner top with a glass top cover, and then residential size microwave in this guy. Tons and tons of storage as you go throughout, like I said. This one's actually going to have all of your residential hinges on it as well, so easy to be able to adjust and fix as you're traveling, and they do have that durability that the smaller ones won't. Big screen TV, as well as your 5000 BTU fireplace here. This one actually has a mirrored accent, so you almost can't see it when it's on, but when it's on, it does look really, really nice. Towards the back, you'll notice this huge loft area above the 2nd bedroom there, and a full door to create that privacy throughout. 2 reclining chairs here. You do have your cup holders, a little bit of storage, and then a wireless phone charger right across from the TV. And then our beautiful dinette area here. So you have 4 chairs plus the table. One nice thing too, if you look underneath, there isn't a pole down the middle. It comes right off the side of the unit. That way you're not banging your knees on anything, and you have tons of space while you're there. While we walk towards the bedroom, you'll notice these steps. They've actually kept these open so you can store your shoes and stuff underneath them, and they do have a little bit of an ambiance light when you come up. Controlling your furnace is super easy right here, as well as all your dials right here for your slide outs and awning. You'll notice this oversized shower. Tons and tons of space inside here for being able to move around, and they do have the accents of the black when you're in the shower. Microfiber cloth that goes across the post of the curtain. Super easy to close up, and it does have a little bit of a squeegee on it so the water gets off there. Full porcelain toilet on this guy, as well as your oversized sink and mirror right beside. As you enter into the bedroom, you'll notice this huge king bed that slides out. You do have your nightstand tables on the side there, and all of your batten strips here will have the LED light in them too, so creating that beautiful light on the inside of the unit and easy control without having to worry about those batten strips coming down. Your storage right here, right beside the bed, goes all the way down. And one thing about this unit is really nice, you do have big windows in your bedroom as well as beside the bed. Tons and tons of storage here with your sliding barn doors. And then this one does actually have washer dryer prep in the front of it right here. Separate AC for your bedroom itself, so if you're not having to worry about having the rest of the coach be cold while you're sleeping and it's still hot, this is going to be able to be controlled while you are sleeping. And then again, a pocket door being able to close off that bedroom area. As we make our way back through the kitchen, you'll notice this beautiful stainless steel sink. This guy is covered with your cover top for being able to drain some veggies and stuff like that. The reason you like a stainless steel over the plastic is you won't get any of that discoloration that plastic gives you or any of those knife dents that you get inside of there. Now we're going right underneath that loft area into the second bedroom. Again, huge bed with that full slide out. This one is ducted from your second AC from the main inside here, and tons of storage. So you have your and drawers throughout. Cool thing to add about this second bedroom is you actually get your own separate bathroom, as well as tons of storage underneath the bed. So this second bathroom, again, sliding solid door that comes across, and this goes right into your second entrance of the unit. You'll notice your tub and shower surrounds beside here. And something cool that they did, they actually integrated the mirror right into your top cabinet area. This was the 2025 Sprinter 3920. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you stop in at Arcan here if you want to take a closer look.